Skyward gives you a lot of options as far as reporting associated with RTI, so we want to show you that real quick. If you go into Student Services and then inside your Response to Intervention area, you should have the option for Reports. Inside of here, you've got 3 reports: Student Intervention Report, Student Response to Intervention Plans, and then Intervention Comparison Report. The most valuable of the 3 is the Response to Intervention Plans, so that's one we're going to show you today. I click on this guy, and there might be some reports already available for you, but I'm going to click Add to just start over with a brand new template. You're going to give it some sort of name, so I'm going to give this Interventions Detail, something like that. For student selection, I want to hit my Ranges button, and I want to make sure I only choose active kids. I don't want to see every student that was ever enrolled at my campus. So I click Save, and now I can go through and choose what options I want to include. We don't really use the watch list details, so I'm going to leave that blank. I do recommend selecting print referral details. One thing on this is that you could go through and choose, maybe I just want to look at specific criteria types. You can uncheck the include all button and choose what criteria types you wanted to report on. And I'm going to leave them all selected, so I'm going to recheck this box. But you have options inside of this. Play around inside of each of these areas and see what kind of data really works for you. Going to the print intervention details, same kind of options. I could choose the date ranges I'm looking for. I could choose status of whether they're open, closed, or both. The tier level, maybe I want to just see only my tier 3 interventions that have been put inside the system. You can go through and specify that through each of these areas. Again, I'm just going to choose all of them. But you can go through and choose a lot of different options inside of here. If your campus is using the team notes, you can check this box as well down at the bottom, and it'll include. And then I would click Save and Print up here at the top. It'll take a little bit of time to process, so we're going to show you an example that's already done. This is an example of the report that it gives you. It would have the student name and ID up here at the top, as well as the grade level. It would give you any referrals that have been submitted, as well as the referral status, so this one's still just a work in progress. And then I can see the intervention details. I can see the begin date. I see that there's no end date entered yet. It's a tier 1 intervention. It gives me the area and the group, so and as well as the criteria. So it's a grading criteria, reading group, decoding is the area that they're working on. It'll give you the notes, as well as any progress monitoring and any of those data points that have been entered by the teacher. This is a great document to bring to your meetings, your RTI meetings associated for that student, to show whether things have been working or not and what you as the teacher have been doing for that student. So that's, or at the campus level, since you're a campus administrator, you could run this for your teachers. That's so nice. So this is a great report for you all to run inside of there.